Any community member that wants to propose a feature, they propose it to the feature wrangler and to the engineering steering community. So we have lots of features that have been done pretty much solely in the community. There's the D programming language, there's Rakudo Perl, which is an implementation of Perl 6. On the more user-facer side, there's the update to the Sugar desktop environment. And Peter Robinson, one of our community members, has been doing a lot of work to get the MeeGo software, which is a mobile and netbook user experience, and get that into Fedora 14.
A lot of what we've been doing in this release, and I think it shows, is we're laying groundwork for a lot of future developments. With better programming tools, obviously we get a lot more opportunities for development. And the QA team's been working on a lot of automated test tooling and infrastructure. All the changes that are going into the release after a certain point, after the alpha, we have our proven tester team, and it's just community members who have shown that they want to help and they'll be able to contribute some time to doing that. So we actually have human eyeballs in every piece of code that goes into the release after a certain point. We run something like 400 tests a day. Everything that is built and every update that is proposed gets run through a series of automated tests.
What we want is the architecture of participation to be more than just technical participation. We have a community of packagers, we have a community of testers, and this is great, and we need this. But we want to extend it to even beyond the technical realm.
You get the bits out of it. You get a nice thing to run on your computer, but there is a lot more to it than that. It is more of a community than it is a project for designing a technical system.
There's the marketing group led by Robin Bergeron. They coordinate the marketing of Fedora, whether it comes to the release slogan, whether designing one-sheets with the important release notes for the product, whether coordinating the work that our design team, also in the community, does with artwork. They work on coordinating all the marketing around Fedora.
We've had a lot of new people coming onto the design team in the past few months. Emily Dersch and Jeff Van Schindel, I think, are two names that come to mind. And there's been just an amazing amount of work that's come out of that. Website redesigns, we've gotten like new designs and mock-ups and things for the installer and stuff like that. And there's the whole new package of extra artwork that's been culled from various photo sharing sites and things like that. It's Creative Commons licensed artwork that people who may not know they were contributing to Fedora are now contributing to Fedora.
There is the documentation group, as mentioned before, that works on our release notes, on Fedora guides. There's the translation and localization group that handles all of our translation. And so we have this in other parts of our Fedora community. For example, we have the ambassadors. The ambassadors handle all of our event works. We have Christoph Wickert in Europe. We have Ben Williams and John Rose in North America. And these sorts of people, they handle all of our event works with minimal oversight from Red Hat and the Fedora leadership. The premier one is called FUDCon. It's the Fedora Users and Developers Conference. We have multiple ones a year, one in each main geographic area. So there's one in Europe, one in North America, one in South America. It's a big event where people can come to learn about Fedora, where they can come to participate in the future direction of Fedora, and just to have a lot of open collaboration around Fedora. The next one coming up is FUDCon North America in Tempe, Arizona on the campus of Arizona State University in January of 2011.
We've built this incredible infrastructure for allowing for all of the flashy and exciting new things that are going to happen in the future to be built. And a lot of the work that we've been doing in the past 6 months and in the past few years is to just enable people to do more and better work with what we've got. And so yes, Fedora 14 kind of represents the culmination of a lot of work towards building a bigger and better community.